In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Airbnb calendar to Google Calendar. If you want to keep track of your Airbnb bookings alongside your other events, adding your Airbnb calendar to Google Calendar is a simple and useful way to stay organized. This is especially helpful if you manage multiple schedules and want to see your reservations in one place on your computer. To get started, open Google Calendar in your web browser on your computer. Once the page loads, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. In that menu, find the section labeled Other Calendars. This is where Google lets you add calendars from other sources, including external booking platforms like Airbnb. Next to Other Calendars, click the plus icon. This opens a small menu with different ways to add a calendar. From the list, choose from URL. This option is specifically used when you have a calendar link from another platform, such as an Airbnb iCal link. Now, paste your Airbnb iCal link into the field provided. Make sure you paste the full link exactly as copied so Google Calendar can recognize it correctly. This link allows Google Calendar to subscribe to your Airbnb calendar and display your reservation dates automatically. If the link is incomplete or has extra spaces, it may not work properly, so it's a good idea to double check it before moving on. Once the link is in place, click Add Calendar. Google Calendar will then connect to that Airbnb calendar and add it to your list of calendars. After a moment, you should see it appear in the left panel under your calendars or other calendars, depending on your setup. Keep in mind that this type of calendar sync usually works as a subscription, which means updates may not appear instantly. Google Calendar can take some time to refresh imported calendars, so if you don't see bookings right away, give it a little time and check again later. Also, this process lets you view your Airbnb calendar inside Google Calendar, which is great for visibility and planning. If you manage cleaning schedules, personal appointments, or other bookings, having everything in one calendar view can make day-to-day scheduling much easier. And that's it. Once you've added the Airbnb iCal URL, your Airbnb reservations will be visible in Google Calendar, helping you keep your availability and plans organized in one convenient place.